Imagine a tiny bird dressed in brilliant red, sprinkled with white dots, like a living jewel flying through the island's lush landscapes. Ready to discover what makes this little guy one of Kauai's most eye-catching birds? Let's dive in. The strawberry finch is easily recognizable by its bold red plumage, especially in males. Their red bodies are dotted with white, giving them a strawberry look. Males sport this vivid color, while the females have more muted brown tones with hints of red. Both are small birds, measuring just around 4 inches long. Though native to tropical Asia, these little birds have adapted well to Kauai. You'll find them in grassy meadows, wetlands, and lowland areas with plenty of food and cover. They were introduced to Hawaii and quickly became a favorite among birdwatchers. The strawberry finch isn't just pretty, it's a social bird, often seen in flocks. During the breeding season, the males put on a spectacular show, fluffing their feathers and singing special tunes to attract the females. Their diet mainly consists of seeds, but they also eat insects, especially when raising chicks. This helps control insect populations and disperses plant seeds, playing an important role in the ecosystem. If you're in Kauai and eager to spot one of these birds, try the Wailua River area or coastal wetlands. They're most active in the mornings and late afternoons, so plan your birdwatching trip accordingly. While the strawberry finch is a beautiful addition to Kauai's bird life, it's also important to recognize the challenges of introducing non-native species. Conservation efforts in Kauai focus on protecting native species while managing the population of non-native birds like the red avatavat. So, watch for the vibrant strawberry finch next time you're in Kauai. Its bright colors and cheerful presence are a reminder of the island's rich bird diversity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website at hawaiiislandkauai.com. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching,